Namaskar, hello everyone, this is me Pooja and you are with MotherWorld, the world where is your all access solution। और हम बात करें इंटरव्यू सेशन एज अ फ्रेशर आपको क्वेश्चंस किस तरीके से अटैम्प्ट करना चाहिए और वेरी सिंपल एंड वेरी शॉर्ट आंसर बट इट शुड बी इफेक्टिवली आप उसका आंसर दे सके। सो द क्वेश्चन इज दैट हाउ लॉन्ग वुड यू एक्सपेक्ट टू वर्क for us if we hired you? So the very good question, and yes, it's also a very important question, because yes, इस question के बाद आपको बिल्कुल idea हो जाता है कि you are selected or yes, you will definitely selected। The answer is is a very easy, sir or ma'am, I think your company will provide me with ample growth of opportunities in future, so as long as as long as the company is satisfied with my work, and as long as I'm satisfied with my career growth, I would continue work here. And it's a very simple and very good, I think very good matter. In this way, you if you can answer, you will definitely get selected over there. And that's all in this video. Bye bye, take care yourself, and all the best for your future.